Now this is Declan, the mechanic who completely restored this tractor with this pal. Larkin. Here she is, Larkin. You just back up. Now, I'm going to let Declan talk you through the restoration project, exactly what he done, everything on this. So Declan,
okay,
in relation to the restoration of the tractor, can you tell us exactly what has been done completely?
starting at the front, everything, the original bonnet was cleaned down, painted, new front grille and chin piece.
Yes.
New bushing in the front axle.
Yes, new headlights.
All new lights, new radiator, brand new radiator, all new water hoses. Pump and injector reconditioned. All filters, everything. Exhaust pipe, everything. All new gauges, new steering wheel, new switches, gear stick gaiters, new seat, new wings, original roll bar cleaned down and redone.
Yes.
Moving to the back.
Roll bar is on it.
Roll bar is on it. Lights.
New tail lights.
Pin hitch, ready to go. Lifts work perfect.
Yeah, you can just. Oh,
yeah,
she
knocked off now.
Yeah.
Full new seat.
All the wiring.
New air breather box and air breather pipe.
Yeah. Wiring.
All wiring reconditioned
and tidied.
Brand new. Water pipes, or sorry, air pipe. Starter reconditioned. New dynamo. New alternator belt or dynamo
belts, everything.
Everything is
as new. Start her up again now. There she is, running there. You do the lifts now. Up you go, Eamon. There's the lifts, up. Leave them up there for a minute now. Lovely. That's everything. All questions answered. Thanks, Declan. Okay, thank you very much.